guys, your girl Naima. Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be an unboxing video of a trending fragrance that's been all over YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever people are sharing their fragrances. This right here has been trending. So I've been on the fence with purchasing this scent. Like, I've asked a couple of questions here and there just to get a feel of what it really smells like in person. So I went on ahead and pulled the trigger, and she's here. So to see this fragrance, keep on watching. Okay, so I was on the fence with like where to purchase it because it's on Amazon, but I actually went to the seller's site and purchased it for $19.99. On Amazon, it's like $30 and change, but on the actual direct site, it's only $19.99 with $5 shipping. So everything came up to like $25. So it's still cheaper than Amazon. But if you want to do your Prime and get it the next day, if you're so like eager to get it, then go to Amazon. If you want to wait a day or two or three, then go to the actual site. I will leave the site link below. And it actually didn't take it didn't take as long as the site mentioned, so I was excited about that. All right, y'all, let's get into unboxing. Okay, y'all, so here she is. This is Yara by Lattafa. So I'm so excited to open her for you guys and do a first impressions. Let me tell y'all something. Trying to get these angles and doing these unboxings for TikTok and all that and getting shorts and reels, this shit is stressing me, okay? So already unboxed. I took the wrapper off of Yara. Already took her out the box for the shorts video. So we just gonna go ahead and just smell her on camera. I did not smell her, so this will be a first impressions and all that good jazz. I'm actually gonna spray her on my skin. The notes on here is sweet, vanilla, powdery, tropical, fruity, musky, floral, and woody. So we're gonna see what we get once we take a little whiff. All right, so first impressions, Yara. Ooh. Ooh. I'm smelling her in the air right now. Ooh. I like it, y'all. I actually really love this. Oh my God. For $20? Ooh, I smell the sweet. I smell the tropical. I smell the vanilla. It's definitely sweet. I smell the fruity. I smell the floral. I have the tropical. I'm not really getting the woody, but maybe that's what I'm smelling on the back end, which making me love it even more. Ooh. Okay, Yara. This was a good, now the girls steered me right with this one. I'm definitely not disappointed, not mad at the price point. Yes, I absolutely love her. I'm trying to think of something that I have that's like a similar fragrance, which I don't think I do, and that's probably why I like it so much. I don't have nothing that smells like this. This smells really good. Now, I will say this will be a good daytime scent. You can wear it all year round, but perfect for the daytime, especially like on date night or like a day date. Or maybe just brunch with the girls. Or just around, you know, people who, you know, will gravitate you to smell you. Now, I did hear a couple of reviews saying this is a good like men gravitate more on fruity, florally, powdery fragrances. And for me, since I'm not, since I'm single, I think I wear what smells good, to me, on me, versus what I will think a guy would like to smell on me, if that makes sense. Because I will want to smell a certain fragrance on my man, versus what he thinks will smell good to him, if you get what I'm saying. Because you want to kind of attract the opposite sex, or if you're into same sexes, no judgment over here. But you want to wear fragrances that attract the opposite sex. So that's why I'm probably starting to get more into like florally, tropical, powdery scents. Y'all, this smells really, really good. And I think a dude would definitely be like, you smell good as shit. What are you wearing? Like, for sure. Like, recommend 10 out of 10. Okay, you guys, that was the end of this video. It was nice, short and sweet, literally, and to the point. I will leave the link below for you guys to purchase directly from the seller, or if you want to, go to Amazon and get it for your 2-day shipping. Y'all, get Yara. Yara's that girl. She's going to be it for the summer. She smells amazing. Oh, and this is 3.4 fluid ounces, and this is a eau de parfum. Yes, ma'am. All right, you guys, thank you for watching this video. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.